Lojo conche tu madre hasta cuando vaya a hacer algo productivo.
Cállate vieja culia, muérete.
Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to learn how to start dropshipping in 2025 with secret tips and hacks which no YouTubers have shown to you. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a customer orders, the store purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. Dropshipping's meaning can be understood clearly by defining what a dropshipping business is. Glossary, the process, the benefits, and a live example. Read up to know all the terms used in the dropshipping business. In other words, the store acts as a middleman between the supplier and the customer, handling the marketing and sales. In contrast, the supplier takes the product's manufacturing, storage, and shipping. This allows the store to offer a wide range of products without needing inventory management or upfront costs. This is how you can start dropshipping. Niche selection. Choose a niche you're genuinely interested in. Look for niches with a strong demand, but limited direct competition. Research potential profit margins by considering factors like product cost, shipping costs, and desired selling price. Define your ideal customer, age, interests, location, income, etc. Product sourcing. Explore platforms like AliExpress, Salehoo, Spocket, worldwide brands, and local suppliers. Utilize Google Trends, TikTok, social media analytics, and trend forecasting websites. Research successful dropshipping stores in your niche. Analyze their product offerings, pricing strategies, and marketing tactics. Supplier selection and due diligence. Prioritize suppliers with reliable and fast shipping to meet customer expectations. Ensure product quality aligns with your brand image and customer expectations. Request samples for inspection. Choose suppliers with responsive and helpful customer support to address potential issues. Compare with competitors and ensure they meet your standards. Inquire about shipping methods, estimated delivery times, potential delays, and shipping costs. Check online reviews and testimonials from other dropshippers to gauge the supplier's reliability and customer satisfaction. E-commerce store setup. Choose a user-friendly e-commerce platform like Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, or Squarespace. My best suggestion is to go with Shopify Store. It's easy to use. If you don't know how to build a Shopify account, there are many videos on YouTube who can help to build your account in no time. Consider factors like ease of use, scalability, pricing, and available features. Create a visually appealing and professional storefront that reflects your brand identity. Ensure easy navigation, clear product information, and a smooth checkout process. Optimize your store for mobile devices, as a significant portion of online shopping occurs on smartphones. Implement on-page SEO techniques like keyword research, meta descriptions, and high-quality content to improve search engine rankings. Integrate secure payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, and Square to provide customers with convenient and secure payment options. Product listing and optimization. Write detailed and engaging product descriptions that highlight key features, benefits, and solve customer problems. Use professional-looking images and videos from multiple angles to showcase products effectively. Consider using 360-degree product views and customer testimonials. Set competitive prices while maintaining profitability. Consider factors like shipping costs, supplier margins, and competitor pricing. Experiment with different product descriptions, images, pricing strategies, and calls to action to optimize conversion rates. For marketing and sales, blog posts helps to create informative and engaging to your niche to attract organic traffic and establish your brand as an authority. We can also promote product reviews, tutorials, and behind-the-scenes content to engage your audience on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Most importantly, you can do it completely free. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to share product updates, run contests, and engage with your followers. For paid promotions, run targeted ads on Facebook and Instagram to reach potential customers actively searching for products like yours. Monitor website traffic, conversion rates, customer acquisition cost, customer lifetime value, and other important metrics. Continuously research new trends, tools, and strategies in the dropshipping industry to stay ahead of the competition. So in this way, you can create your own dropshipping business in less time. That if you are starting dropshipping for the first time, don't use paid promotions. Instead, you can promote your product through Reels, YouTube Shorts, and in TikTok with proper SEO settings. Use DM to buy or comment sections to get your first sale. Hence, apply every step we discussed here. Make sure to give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the bell icon for more amazing tips and tutorials. Our target is to reach 1,000 subscribers this year. Do support our channel, friends. If you have any doubts, you can comment below this video. Until then, we meet in a new video. Thanks for watching.